Hey guys, I'm Codemeister, and it's time to code. And welcome to HTML tutorial number 1, where we will be creating our first web page. Now, the first thing we have to do is set up. So, let's do it. So, how do we code in HTML? Well, use a text editor. And the text editor I use is jsfiddle.net. jsfiddle.net is an online free text editor. And this is how you get it. All you have to do is press sign in and sign up. Put in a username, put in a password, put in your email address, and it's as easy as that. So, right now just sign in and put in password. Make sure to pick a very strong password. And boom, we have a fiddle right here. Now you can change the system UI how you want it over here in the settings, but now we'll just create a fiddle, and I'm gonna call it tutorial 1. That'll be it for setup. Okay, so how do we type HTML? Well, HTML is a tag-based language where we use tags to code. For example, to start a web page, all you have to do is type exclamation mark and then press the tab button. This will give you the basis of a web page. Now, this is an HTML tag. Each tag has a start tag and an end tag. Each start tag just has the tag that it's called HTML, and then the end tag has a backslash and then the name of the tag. So, the XML tag is the tag where we write all of our HTML. Under that is the head tag. The head tag is the stuff that we will not really see in the web page, but it'll be there. Now, the meta share fit is just the type of HTML that we're using. It lets the browser know what type of HTML that we are using. Now, the title document, the title tag, it tells what the title will be up here. And you show that it has an end head tag. Now, the body tag is where we're going to be writing all of our main lines of code. Inside the body tag, it'll have all of the things that we need. Everything to the body tag will be printed out on the screen. Now, let's create our first web page, and we'll call it My First Web Page. I just changed the title. Now, how do we write something on the screen? Well, we do this by creating a P tag. Now, P stands for paragraph. It's as simple as typing less than sign, P greater than sign. Now, inside a P tag, we can type in words. For example, who is Codemeister. Now, we put a space to go on the next line. Well, Codemeister is a YouTuber who teaches quality code. Now, let's run the program. Wait, what happened? We put a space. Why doesn't it show space? Well, the program does not understand spaces in HTML. To create something on the next line, we have to use the break tag. And the break tag is as simple as writing BR. Now, breaks have no end, right? So there's no need for another end break tag. So if we run the program, there'll be a break there, which is amazing. Now, there's another type of important tag. There's the bold tag. It makes the program stand out. It makes words in the program stand out. Now, to create a bold tag, all we have to do is type in B and then type in B at the end too. So now you'll see that Codemeister is bold. Now there's also another way of doing this by typing strong. If you run that, it'll still be bold, which is great. Now, what about headings? To create a heading, all we have to do is type H. Now there are multiple types of headings. There's heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, and heading 6. And all of these headings are smaller than the other. The biggest one is H1. The second biggest one is H2. And the third biggest one is H3. It just goes down and down from there. Now, if we run the program, it'll show that we have one big heading, one smaller heading, and one even smaller heading. That will be the end of HTML tutorial 1, and I'll see you guys in the next video.